Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Athens, Greece, and I'm going up to Philopappos. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. It's got a lot of P's in it and a lot of O's. But it's up this hill. So I started recording this halfway through so you didn't have to hear me breathing heavy to get to this far. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll walk the rest of the way together. How's that sound? Let's do it. And so it's quite the hill. But this is the monument, Philopappos. You know what, I can probably show you easier than say it. You know, is that funny? Okay, so there it is. Philopappos Monument. And it's the one you can see from the Acropolis, from the, like if you're sitting in the theater there, the Odeon or whatever it's called. And it's easy to see and stuff, but getting to it's a whole nother story. And that's where I'm at now. And I started this video about halfway up, and it certainly is the worker. But I ran into a turtle, and that was fun. Cute little turtles. And it's up here somewhere. I should see it any second now. It should pop out, I would think. I don't think you have to buy a ticket, but maybe you do. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. But we'll keep walking until we run into somebody that tells me I have to. How's that sound? Oh my. And the view is amazing. Look at that view. Is that incredible? Oh my gosh, yeah. That's pretty amazing. Wow. Wow, for sure. Okay. You know, if I just keep showing you an item, it gives me more chance to catch my breath. And there's information here. Oh, it looks like there used to be a castle or a hill or something, or no, that's the Acropolis. We're over here, I think. I don't know. Let's go. Oh, there it is. Good morning.
Morning.
You can see it up there. At least it's gotten a little more less uphill. A little more less uphill. All right, Eric. Ain't got no good proper English. I don't think his cornbread's cooked all the way through. Anyway, we'll keep walking. And you can see it. But the view, I mean, every time you turn, you get this amazing, crazy view of the Acropolis. Crazy, okay. You know, these are the times you wish you didn't have a spicy breakfast. Left, right. Maybe the right choice is level or up. Oh, but we know it's up, so you're gonna pay the price either way, one way or another. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Wow. Look at that. Wow, okay. That is amazing. And you can still see the ruins up here, and I'm hoping I have the right thing. Okay, whatever it's called. Okay, so I think I came the wrong way because that's down. So I guess I gotta cut this way, and it looks like there's some kind of, everybody took the left turn and they've kind of cut a path through here. Wow, okay. Up, up and away in my beautiful... I wish I had a balloon. Here's the trail I should have taken. So when you get to the Y, stay right, people. Oh, yes. And there's ruins here too. Is this it? Yes, look at that. Philopappos Monument. Got it, the Hill of the Muses. So let me see. You can read that. Hit pause. So you can read it. Okay. Let's go do the rest of it. We're almost here. And I am dripping. You know, and the way this goes is, I usually get to the top of these things and find that there's a road. Well, not that I would have taken a taxi to get me up here anyway. But, wow. It looks like it's... Wow. That's very cool. Okay. Wow. It looks like it used to be much bigger than this. Does this one say the same thing? The Hill of Muses Philopappos. There it is in black and white. I think this is the same thing, but hit pause if you want to read that. We good? And I'll let you look at this some more because it's pretty amazing. Wow. Wow. It is pretty amazing. Well, let's see, can I get up this? Heck yeah, I can. Oh, billy goat legs. Don't fail me now. Okay. Wow. And it certainly has standed the test of time. And it's a good place to take a nap, I'm thinking. Wow. And look at the view from here. Let me go stand on the flat stuff. Wow. I wonder if I can get this zoom to work. Probably not. That's pretty amazing. And you can see it right down there on the bottom, the theater. And so from the theater, this is like one of the big views. This and the ocean, because the ocean is right over there. Or the sea, actually, I guess. Look at the sea. Piraeus, over there, actually. It's pretty amazing. Wow, the view from here is amazing. I bet at sunset it's pretty incredible. Whew. All right. I think it used to be a lot bigger than this, but anyway, well, that's it. I just wanted to get you to the top and show you the view. And look, there's a trail over there that goes over on top of that mountain, and you really can see the city. Wow. Yeah, I bet at sunset this is amazing. Look how huge this city is, all the way to the sea, all the way to this sea over there, all the way around, all the way around. Wow. Did I tell you I was dripping? Can I do this with the Acropolis in the background too? Yes, I can. Very cool, everybody. All right. that's it for me. Thanks for climbing the hill with me and seeing the stuff. You know what? Let's go get another shot of that Acropolis from up here, because it's just a amazing view. Not that the Acropolis was the goal here, but the Muses Hill or whatever, but it's certainly a good shot of the Acropolis. Wow. Okay, everybody, that's it. Have a good day. Bye. Bye-bye.